Let's solve a set intersection problem. We need to find the intersection of sets P and Q, where P is the set of natural numbers greater than 2 and less than or equal to 6, and Q is the set of even natural numbers less than or equal to 8. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's find all the elements in set P. Set P contains natural numbers that are greater than 2 and less than or equal to 6. So P equals the set containing 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, let's find all the elements in set Q. Set Q contains even natural numbers that are less than or equal to 8. So Q equals the set containing 2, 4, 6, and 8. Let's visualize this with a Venn diagram. Here's set P on the left containing 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here's set Q on the right containing 2, 4, 6, and 8. The intersection of sets P and Q, written as P intersection Q, contains all elements that are in both sets. Looking at our Venn diagram, we can see that 4 and 6 appear in both sets. These elements are in the overlapping region. Therefore, the intersection of sets P and Q is the set containing 4 and 6. We write this mathematically as P intersection Q equals the set containing 4 and 6. To verify our answer, we can check that these numbers satisfy both conditions. Both 4 and 6 are greater than 2 and less than or equal to 6, so they're in set P, and both 4 and 6 are even numbers less than or equal to 8, so they're also in set Q.